Thanks for joining me today. I want to talk to you about the range of sentence for impaired causing bodily harm sentencing in Canada, and specifically in Ontario. So let's take a first-time impaired causing bodily harm. What are the possible range? Well, I would say anywhere from about 2 months in jail up to penitentiary time, like 2 years less a day is just out of the penitentiary. And I'm going to give you an example. So where might you get 2 months? Well, you'd be a first-time offender, very low-level injury, maybe minor broken nose or something like that, okay, at the 2 months level. Let's add something else in cases dealing with broken legs. Well, I've seen anywhere from 6 to 12 months in those range. And then once we get into serious, quite more serious injuries, we're looking, closer to that 2-year level. Could it be above 2 years? Yes. I can think of the worst case scenario, of course, where someone's rendered a quadriplegic or a paraplegic. I've seen cases certainly over the 2-year level into penitentiary terms for sure. There's no question about it. So what about repeat offenders? So if someone's a repeat offender, let's say they have prior impaired driving convictions, prior dangerous driving, we're into a whole new level there. The maximum jail term for impaired causing bodily harm is 10 years. So that's for 10 years, of course, would be reserved for the worst offense and the worst offenders. So someone with multiple DUI convictions, dangerous driving convictions, and render someone paraplegic, I mean, they could easily get the 10 years, I suppose, of the worst case or worst offender. And then the judge has to weigh general deterrence, weigh specific deterrence, and apply certain sentencing principles. And the most important thing is here, we're punishing this specific offender. So you get credit if you've got to lead a blameless life. You're the more minimal sentences under 2 years. If you're otherwise, you're looking at something higher, of course, than that. And so that's what you're facing for, unfortunately, impaired causing bodily harm in Ontario. And it's a very serious offense and with very serious, significant penalties. I can tell you, the ranges seem to be constantly increasing, because when I first started practicing, ranges were a matter of months, and they seem to be going up every decade, and quite rightfully so. It's a serious offense and requires serious penalties and general specific deterrence for other Canadians. Thank you for watching our video. We are absolutely committed to bringing you the best possible criminal and DUI educational videos. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you've been charged with a criminal offense in Ontario and require our services, please click on the link in the description below.